Mwandĩkithia wa ciama cia ũteti augĩte nĩ harĩ bata mĩthingi ĩrĩa ciama cia ũteti ciũmbĩtwo ĩkorwo ĩgĩthũrimwo werũ na nĩgetha cinyitie wega na itige kũhũthĩrwo tu kũingĩria andũ iturwa-inĩ. Mwandĩkithia wa ciama cia ũteti nĩwe John Lolionokou augĩte ateti aingĩ maingĩraga ciama-inĩ cia ũteti nĩguo mone mweke wa kũingĩra iturwa-inĩ mategwĩka ithabu rĩa itemi rĩa ciama harĩ gũkũria democracy.
I know we all understand that in this country, political parties are circled through the 5-year cycle. People go to parliament and county assembly through one party. By the time they get to the next election, that party is gone. It's not there. They are going in through another party. And our commitment as an office is trying to bring up and establish the functions and the establishments of parties so that they become institutions of democracy. They become institutions that last a long time. We have parties in developed countries that have lasted for 100 years, that have lasted for 200 years. The difference is, if a party develops to the level that they can become an institution, then we, the faces, become people who just come and go. But the party remains to sustain their ideology, to sustain the values, to sustain the principles of that party. And that is the sanity we want to bring to the political party space, that parties embrace institutionalization of the parties so that they stop being, manipulated by few people for purposes of self-interest.